Hey, here, TNG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Check this out. Got another Fridge 48 rolling out of the shop today. This is from a man, Jason K, down in Alabama. Jason, we appreciate you. He called us up, custom ordered this Fridge 48 about a year ago. And he personally called me and said, Hayes, I want the best backyard pit in America. I said, Jason, buddy, I got you. So we built him up this Fridge 48. Let's check it out, see why it is the best backyard pit in America. All right, guys, so we'll start with the smoke chamber here. Now, guys, on all of our fridge smokers, you do get 3 sliding trays in here. I'm going to tell y'all something. These cooking grates are super heavy duty. All 1-inch tube. They have a center bar in them. Honestly, this cooking grate probably weighs more than my Blackstone griddle over there. Just one cooking grate. We love you, Blackstone, but that's the truth. So, guys, this is a reverse flow smoker. So the smoke comes all the way across the bottom, then back out the top. Just the, the ideal way to smoke. You've got 2 removable reverse flow plates in here. So you pull those plates up out. You can clean up underneath the smoker. Makes it easy for you. Now, Jason did upgrade to the stainless steel front shelf. He also added a cup holder right here. Great option. Looks good, easy clean, not going to rust up on you. It is on our off-road package, guys. Check out those upgraded wheels and tires on there as well. Really looks good, makes it easy to maneuver around. He's actually got a LED light system on the bottom of this thing too that when the lights go down, turn that thing on, time to party. All right, now check out this hot box here. This is our standard hot box on this fridge. 5 sliding trays in here. 1,776 square inches of cook space in here, guys. That's because we love America. That's all there is to it. So, guys, what we really like about our hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So you can smoke in this. You can use it as a warmer. You can get direct fire in here. So very versatile. It's basically like having 2 smokers running off 1 fire. So we love our hot box. And as well, he also upgraded to our insulated firebox, so it's still all 1/4-inch plate steel, 1-inch insulated. He's still got his fire management cradle in there. You can see he's got D-ring tie-down points on all 4 corners on this rig. Step around on the back side here, guys. Jason is what I like to call shelved up, okay? He's got his front folding shelf here and his rear folding shelf. Guys, they're super heavy duty. You can sit down on them, take a break, you get tired. They really work well. You're never going to complain about having too much shelves, guys, I promise. So that is Jason's Fridge 48. He's going to come here next week, pick it up, take it back home with him. I'm sure he's going to cook some good barbecue on this bad boy. So, guys, that's it. I'm going to go in there, probably start working on another fridge. So if you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.